die RO-RA Aviation.
With around 190 employees here at the Schorfling site, RO-RA Aviation Systems GmbH develops precision parts and functional assemblies mainly for the aviation industry. In addition to the outstanding specialized expertise of our employees, digitizing our development and manufacturing processes is an important success factor. We also benefit from good vertical integration and a high level of automation, as well as many years of experience in the manufacturing of parts made from difficult-to-machine materials.
Sowie eine langjährige Erfahrung in der Bearbeitung von schwer zerspanbaren Werkstoffen.
RO-RA specializes in high-end manufacturing in terms of its materials, geometries, and tolerances. In the past, we had machine crashes because we couldn't simulate our travel limits. That's why we decided to invest in Vericut. At RO-RA, we simulate every NC program with Vericut before it runs on the real machine. And now, crashes are a thing of the past. Vericut has been specializing in NC code simulation for 35 years. Compared to other simulation solutions, we go a step further. We simulate every sub-program and everything that comes after the post-processing run. In other words, the NC program that actually runs on the machine. This allows us to identify and eliminate any errors in advance using the digital twin. We chose the Vericut module Force because in the airplane industry, we have to thoroughly optimize every component in terms of the programs and tools. We have now used Vericut Force with 35 parts and have seen savings of up to 25%.
Force analysiert die Schnittbedingungen während
Force analyzes the cutting conditions for the entire run of the NC program. The point of Vericut Force is not to change the tool paths or various parameters for the tool. The goal is to consistently maintain an ideal chip thickness without exceeding certain limits.
aber bestimmte Grenzwerte nicht zu überschreiten.
The collaboration with CG Tech was great. We had CG Tech help us through the first project, which made it easy for us to choose Vericut Force. Because of the tooling data and cutting data saved in the Vericut software, all you have to do is set the average chip thickness. Then you can optimize the program with the touch of a button. Even with a CAM program that has already been optimized, Vericut Force still saves us a significant amount of time.
Since we
started using Vericut, I have noticed it makes things much easier for my team too. Now, when my manufacturing colleagues use new NC programs, they can be sure the machines will be collision-free. The biggest advantage for us since we started using Vericut Force is that our machining times have gotten even shorter. Now we are optimizing things in the right places without affecting the part quality.
And one
thing that surprised me is that the tool life was noticeably improved, especially for hard-to-cut materials like titanium and Inconel. Our investment in Vericut and Vericut Force very quickly paid for itself. We can't imagine working without Vericut anymore.
Ja, die Prozesssicherheit steht bei uns immer.
Process safety is always our top priority. At the same time, though, we obviously have to deal with economic pressure, so our manufacturing must be as cost-effective as possible. And those two components have been handled very, very well through our collaboration with CG Tech.